Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to correct an invoice using a credit note. Credit notes are used when incorrect patients were billed or invoiced, or when incorrect items or procedure codes were used. A credit note will cancel the whole invoice for a specific service date and can be redone with the correct information. Let us go over how to perform a credit note. From the diary screen, click on the desired patient's booking. The diary sidebar will open. Click on the Account Details button to open the Account Details screen. Double-click on the desired invoice that the user would like to redo. An Actions menu will open with various options available. For more information regarding the Actions menu, please refer to the Account Details Invoices tab user manual linked in this video's description. Click on the Credit Note button. An attention pop-up will open, asking the user to enter a credit reason. Click in the Reason for Credit Note field and type the necessary information. If a user does not wish to add a credit note, click on the Cancel button. If the user would like to proceed with the credit note, click on the OK button. The original invoice will be struck through with a red line, indicating that the invoice has been credit noted. Double-click on the Credit Noted invoice to open the Actions menu. Click on the Credit Notes tab where the newly credit noted invoice can be found with all the necessary information. The credit note number is the reference number of the credit note. Transaction date is the day that the transaction was completed. The capture date contains the date and time that the credit note was captured. Why the credit note was made is stated under the Reason column. The person who performed the credit note can be seen under User. Patient's amount is amount that will be credited to the patient. And total amount is the entire amount that will be credited. Once the user is satisfied with all changes, click on the Close button to return to the diary screen.